Hi everyone, Sandra here from the Schwoven's Nest. Today I wanted to share with you a beautiful sign for all of those dog moms, cat moms, all of us that have our fur babies and maybe don't have kids yet or have kids and fur babies. But you know what? We love our pets the same as we do our children, and I thought I would just do something that was special for those moms. This is a really simple DIY. I picked up this plaque at a thrift store. It was painted mint green, and I just used my Rust-Oleum chalk paint in Country Gray, which is the darker gray color, and just covered all of it in a couple of coats of paint. So I usually find some inspiration on Pinterest, and I did find a nice little decal design that I'm just going to duplicate doing freehand. I'm going to be using my Sharpie and Craft Smart oil-based pens in black and white. I'm going to be doing this design freehand, but if you're not confident in your freehanding skills, you could go ahead and use multiple different ways of transferring the image onto your plaque. One way that you could transfer the image onto the plaque is to use your printer and print off a picture of the image that you'd like to use. Then you're going to flip your paper over and color in using a pencil and doing it quite dark. Then you're going to take that piece of paper and lay it image side up onto your plaque or sign, and then trace around the original image, and that will leave a pencil mark stencil or imprint on your plaque. Another way that I have created an image onto a piece of wood that is painted is simply to use a pen, lay your image on top of the sign and trace around it using a really firm touch, and most of the time you'll get a little bit of an indentation which will show the shape on top of your plaque. You'll probably notice as I'm doing my designs, I tend to move my plaque around to make it a little bit easier to center things and to make sure that things are placed evenly. So I do tend to move things around. As you can see, I just turned it now just because it makes it easier for me to make the design. Using my white Craft Smart oil-based pen, I'm going to start writing the words dog mom, and I always start in the middle of the word, so the O would go smack in the middle of the plaque sign, and then I would do the D and the M, and again you'll see me flipping the board around. Now that I'm completed the plaque, I took a look at it and I thought it does look really cute, but it just needs a little bit of extra embellishment. So I'm taking some of this white nautical rope that I picked up at my Dollarama and just going to frame all the way around, and then leave some loose edges that I'm going to tie off at the top. Kind of spread them apart, pull them apart, and kind of make it look like fur or hair or something that's kind of hanging down on top of the plaque itself. So the last thing I'm doing is just taking apart these ends of the nautical rope and using some glue to place them in a way that I like.
Here's the finished product hanging on my wall. I think it turned out really cute, and for those dog moms out there, I think they would really love to have something like this for Mom's Day to represent them being a mother to their puppies or their cats, kittens, and any other animals, even horses and chickens. You could do that with any type of animal.
I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please feel free to do so, comment and like, and don't forget to click the bell to get notified when I upload new videos. Have a great day, thanks for watching, and happy Mom's Day to all of you moms out there.